So how do you take somebody who looks only a couple of decades old, give or take a decade, and turn them into somebody who looks much, much older? We want to go for a wizened religious official, somebody who's well, let's just say they've been around a while. Let's not put any other adjectives on it besides that. So one of the best things you can do to kind of add this age is doing a beard. This is much better than mock aging them tons or adding on a bunch of masks, which are much more uncomfortable, and this is going to prove to be. So you can get a lot of these beards at various costumes and even some convenience stores right around Halloween. They're not too expensive, and they actually do a pretty good job too. So our volunteer here is going to put one on. And basically how you put these on is you take them over the head. There's an elastic band at the back, and you're going to let this elastic band rest on the tops of your ears. This is going to hold up the beard, which is going to have, there'll be a top piece above your mouth, and there'll be a bottom piece underneath it. Now this is automatically going to make you look like somebody, hey, you've been around for a while. Heck, this beard is 20 to 30 years old alone.